Let's install the Chimera front fork caps with preload. We're going to measure the stock suspension height from the bottom of the fork to the top of the steering plate. The measurement comes out to 27 3/4 inch long. We're going to put the bike on the center stand. Using a little masking tape, we're going to wrap the area of the handlebar that may come in contact with the tools that we'll use to remove the fork caps. Now let's turn the handlebar fully to the left. This will allow us to loosen both sides of the fork caps. Remove one fork cap at a time. Once the fork cap is removed, transfer the O-ring from the existing fork cap to the new fork cap. Now let's install the new fork cap onto the fork. Here you can see that the new fork cap aligns perfectly with the inner tube that's located inside of the fork. Push down on that tube. Get a couple of threads by hand before you use a socket to tighten the fork cap. We could leave it loose for now and continue to the other side, repeating the same process. Once we get both fork caps on, turn the handlebar towards the right and then tighten both fork caps. The new measurement of the fork is now 28 1/4 inch long. We gain ½ inch of travel. The new fork cap will reduce suspension nosedive while braking, reduce suspension bottoming out, reduce weight, and gain additional ground clearance.